Most people think Freecash Not Crediting means they got scammed. But here's the truth no one tells you. In most cases, the reward is not lost. It is just delayed, tracked incorrectly, or blocked by a simple technical issue. In this video, you will learn exactly why Freecash rewards are not crediting in 2026, how to fix tracking problems, and how to make sure your earnings show up correctly every time. Let's start with the most common issue. Offer tracking delay. Freecash relies on third-party advertisers to confirm your activity. So when Alex completes a game offer or survey, the reward does not always appear instantly. Sometimes it can take minutes, hours, or even a few days depending on the provider. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many users quit too early and assume the reward is gone. But, in reality, it is just waiting for confirmation from the offer network. But here's the problem most users face. They complete offers while using VPNs, ad blockers, or unstable internet connections. These can break tracking completely. So if Jake installs a game with a VPN on, the system may not record the completion at all. Let's fix that step by step. First, always turn off VPNs and ad blockers before starting any offer. This is the #1 reason rewards fail to track in 2026. Second, make sure you are completing offers exactly as instructed. If an offer says reach level 10 in a game, stopping at level 9 will not trigger credit. Even small mistakes matter. Third, always install offers directly from Freecash links. If you download the app from the Play Store separately, tracking cookies may not connect properly. In a minute, I'll show you the hidden reason. Many users lose rewards even after completing everything correctly. Another major issue is device switching. If you start an offer on one phone and finish it on another, the tracking system may reject the reward. Always complete offers on the same device from start to finish. Now let's talk about delayed approvals. Some offers are manually reviewed by advertisers before approval. This is normal for high-paying tasks. So even if your reward does not appear instantly, it does not mean it is gone. Also, check your Freecash activity log. Sometimes rewards show as pending instead of credited. Many users miss this and think they got nothing. So here is the final breakdown. Most Freecash not crediting issues come from VPN usage, incorrect offer completion, tracking delays, or device changes. Very rarely is it a real loss. Here are the key takeaways. Turn off VPNs and ad blockers. Follow offer instructions exactly. Stay on one device. And always check pending rewards before assuming a problem. If this helped you fix your issue, like the video, comment what happened with your reward, and subscribe for more real fixes that actually help you earn without frustration.